Hi, today I'm making a family favourite. I keep saying I'm making family favourites, but this one truly is. This is caramel salted popcorn, and it's a great little snack thing when you're watching a movie, or if you're going to someone's place and you just want to take something quick. It's really easy to make. So join me as I make it and you'll see just how easy it is to make. So I'm just going to start heating up my fry pan. I'm adding some olive oil to my fry pan. Oops, there we go. Now I just have to wait for that to heat up. And the way we know if it's hot enough, we put some kernels in of our popcorn. Now we're actually going to be using half a cup of popcorn. So, no, it's not hot enough. I'll just grab that out. If it's hot enough, the grain will start spinning when I put it in. So I'll come back when that's hot enough. Okay, so that'll be hot enough now. I'm just adding the popcorn and some salt, and I need to get a lid on that. Meanwhile, in this saucepan here, I'll put the recipe in the description. In here I've got sugar, butter and honey, and we're just going to melt that and then bring it to the boil. So I'm doing half the popcorn, and when that finishes I'll do another lot. Again, I'm doubling the recipe like I normally do. I'll turn that off, it seems to have settled down. I don't want to upend the pan because any uncooked ones are down the bottom. So I don't want to just pour it into the bowl. That's why I'm doing it this way. Right, I'll tip out what's there because there's too many unpopped ones in there, and then I'll be back. Okay, we're going to do that again. some salt. And we've got our popcorn. Now, I'm just heating this through, melting the butter and dissolving the sugar. Sometimes moving them around can help if it slows down, and you can see it started popping again once I moved them around. Right, this is just coming to the boil now. We need to boil this for 5 minutes. Right, we'll turn that off. Okay, I need to collect it all from around the place. I'll just move that out the way. Okay, so I've got a big bowl of popcorn there. We're just waiting for this to finish boiling. We need that to boil for 5 minutes. I'll come back when that's done. Okay, we've got our saucepan here with honey, sugar and butter, and we have boiled that now for 5 minutes. We're just going to add some peanuts. Now the peanuts are actually optional. You don't have to add the peanuts, but yeah, love peanuts and popcorn. So we're just mixing all that through, making sure all those peanuts are coated. Now we're just going to pour that over the top and mix it through. We're just going to make sure all that popcorn is coated with that caramel. And that's all there is to it. That's caramel salted popcorn. Beautiful. Thanks for joining me on the video today. Don't forget to like, subscribe. That way you'll always be notified when new videos become available, and leave comments. Oh, if you could smell this. there wouldn't be much of it left because it just smells so delicious. It would be eaten in no time. Thanks again. See you in the next one. Bye.